to show you how to import a token using the contract address. So first of all, you need to have the contract address, then go to your wallet, ensure that the token you want to add, you have the network, and as you can see on my screen, I have the BSC network, which is the token I want to add. So if the token is an Ethereum token, you use Ethereum network or whatever network there is. All right, so all you need to do is to click on import token right here. Click on import token, and you can see search and custom token. So all you need to do is to click on custom token. You can see we use search here, but we are using custom token right here. So the next thing you need to do is just to paste the token address right there. So once you paste the token address and you click anywhere on the screen, it's going to automatically generate the token. You can see the token symbol and the decimal. All you need to do is to click on import. So once you import, you see imported token right here. So this is the token right here. I hope I've been able to help you out. Thanks.